For decorative details, you can add stitches like the moss stitch or puff stitch to create texture. Add a lining. Consider sewing a fabric lining for the inside of your backpack. This prevents small items from popping through stitches and helps the bag keep its shape. You can even add pockets in the lining for better organization. Reinforce the straps. Crochet the straps using a sturdy stitch and consider adding the fabric or leather backing to prevent stressing. You could also pair or twist multiple strands of yarn together for a thicker, stronger strap. Secure the closer for added security. Use a drawstring, zipper, or button closer. A drawstring with a flap is popular for both style and functionality. Magnetic snaps or even buckles can be a stylish way to make sure the bag stays closed. Create a sturdy base. Crochet the dense, strong base for the bag to help it sit upright and avoid sagging. Consider inserting a plastic or cardboard base wrapped in fabric to provide extra structure. Decorative touches, add tassels, rings, or beads to keep it the elegant style. Using different colors or patterns like stripes or granny squares can make your backpack more eye-catching. Test for size and adjust. Check the size as you go to ensure the backpack will hold the amount you want. Measure often and adjust the number of stitches or rows as needed to get the right dimensions. With these tips, you will be well on your way to creating a beautiful and functional crochet backpack. Here are some more tips to refine your crochet backpack project and make it both practical and visually appealing. Choose the right hook size. Use a slightly smaller hook than recommended for your yarn to achieve tighter stitches. This will help prevent stressing. Experiment with different hook sizes on a swatch to see how dense you want the fabric. Experiment with color blocking. Try color blocking sections of your backpack to add interest without complex patterns. Use contrasting colors for details like pockets, straps, or the base to create a visually appealing design. Consider adding pocket. Crochet a small zippered or button pocket on the inside or outside for easy access to small items like keys or phones. minimal stress yarn like cotton, hemp, or bamboo blends. Use reinforced corners, reinforced areas like the bottom corners and top edge, as they are more prone to wear and tear. You can reinforce by working additional rounds or rows of single crochet in these sections. Incorporate different stitch patterns. Use a mix of stitches to add texture and detail without needing additional materials. Patterns like the bubble stitch, shell stitch,